Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is March the 15th. So happy Friday to you. I hope you have a great Friday and a great weekend. All of these plants were sprouted, germinated at the same time. And what a difference. Now, I should have taken better notes, but all of these ones here that I took out of here, you can see the empty pods here, all of those I removed and put into here about, it's got to be a good 2 weeks ago. And look at the difference in the growth compared to just being stuck in this soil. These are really, housebound or whatever they're called. They're not doing very well. I'm probably going to transplant these today, but look at the difference. I mean, it's like night and day. If I can angle this up a little bit, you can see how small these ones are. And then these here, if I lift this off and just give it a little bit of a tilt, you can see. Look at the difference. It's unbelievable. Anyway, if I lift this up, I don't know how much I can tilt this. I don't want them falling out. But look at the roots going on here. And that there again, that is 100% nutrient solution. That's the AeroGarden stuff that I'm using, and I'm very, very happy with that product. Anyway, there we go. And you can see at the bottom that soil that came from the original pods that I had started them in, because I just added the garden soil mixture. That's actually Miracle-Gro stuff that I had purchased off of Amazon. So I had started them off in here, and then I just transplanted them into the little net cups. These net cups here are the 2-inch models. I'll just lift this up, and yeah, you can kind of see. Let's make sure I'm on camera here, and there we go. Look at the amazing root system that is happening on these. And since these plants are super small, I'm not going to change these over to a 3-inch net cup. There's no point, because they're doing super well. But I mean, this is just amazing. I just wanted to come on camera and show you this. And if I rub these together, it smells really, really good. Anyway, there we go. Anyway, that's it for this really fast video. I just wanted to say that I'm super impressed with hydroponics, and I'm really having a lot of fun with it. Let's lift another one of these out just to see. Yeah, look at the root system on here. There we go. So that's it for this really fast video. I just wanted to show you how great these are coming along in this little hydroponic system. I'm having a lot of fun with it. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.